Not all of our research adventures work out the way we plan. Quite often, we walk away with stories and ideas we never even dreamed of prior to setting out. I came to the northernmost reaches of New England in search of the mighty moose. A magnificent creature that has eluded me for years. I spent days and days combing remote bogs of the mysterious North Country, traipsing along wild, sometimes unmaintained trails. Where's the trail? There's our crossing. I don't know. People in. We'll see. Covered in mud and mosquitoes. And walked away with a single photo of a solitary moose track. The only evidence I've ever found of this majestic creature in real life. But my bog adventures weren't a total loss. I learned that these vastly important ecosystems absorb and store enormous amounts of carbon dioxide and excess precipitation. And support all sorts of other wildlife. I was rewarded with sweeping vistas of stunning fall colors. I often had these remote and obscure trails all to myself, and had an unexpected sighting of a white-throated sparrow. Another lifer to add to my ever-expanding birding life list. All of us here at the Curio Cat would like to dedicate this little adventure story to our subscribers and our followers, to express our deep gratitude for taking your time to watch and journey along with us. Without you, this footage and story likely would have never seen the light of day.